Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Wi-Fi is not working after iOS 16 update and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. So let's move to the workout. So the first step is you have to make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. That means you have to check your internet connection. For example, as you can see at the top, here I am connected to the Wi-Fi, right? So if I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi or I'm not having cellular data, then I will not be getting the internet connection, which is a very basic knowledge. So you have to make sure that I'm connected to a Wi-Fi or either cellular data, and also I have to make sure that I'm having internet connection in this. For example, if you open something that has to get load, that means you are on the internet, right? So this is the basic step which you have to try out. After trying this out, if it's still not working and you're having the trouble, the next is all about you have to power cycle your Wi-Fi router. That is, I can't show it here, but you just have to power cycle your Wi-Fi router, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, the next is all about the third solution. You have to force restart your iPhone. For that, you just have to press volume up followed by volume down, press and hold power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. That is what you have to do. You have to press volume up followed by volume down, press and hold power button unless and until you Apple logo, and most probably you have to check. Most probably this has to work. Even after trying this, if it's still getting really irritated, you just have to follow the next instruction. That is, you just have to tap on the settings. Now from here you have to tap on the Wi-Fi, and now as you can see, there is an option called here I'm connected to the Wi-Fi office, and there is an eye icon, right? So I have to tap on that eye icon. Now from here, there is an option called forget this network. So I have to tap on forget this network, and you have to reconnect it back. When you're doing this, make sure that you should know the password, or else you'll be having the trouble. So make sure you knew the password. Just follow these instructions, tap on this forget this network, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, the next is all about you have to disable the VPN. For that, you just have to, from here in the settings, you just have to navigate to general. From here, you just have to scroll down. There is an option called VPN antivirus management. From here, you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If that, just have to remove it back. And most probably you have to see, even if sometimes it won't work. The next is all about you have to make sure that the airplane mode is not being enabled right now when you're trying to use the internet. So as you can see, if you go over here at the top, right now it is not being connected, or I haven't enabled the airplane mode. But in some cases by accidentally, if I enable this, as you can see, the Wi-Fi is completely gone. So this is very important and basic step. Make sure the airplane mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, you will be having respective trouble. So that is what you have to do. This is very basic. And moving to the next one is all about you have to reset network settings. For that, what you have to do is just have to tap on settings once again. You have to tap on general once again, scroll down from here, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and you will be able to get reset network settings. Just go for it, and most probably after a restart will happen in between. After restart, you have to check, and most probably the issue regarding Wi-Fi is not getting, or you're having trouble when you're trying to connect Wi-Fi after updating to the iOS 16 will be completely fixed. And also I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read the same article on our website Get Try Tips, and also you can try out the same step on iPad as well as also. So that's what it's all about. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.